This summer, bring out the designer in you and create your very own gathered skirt. It's trendy, it is flattering, and it's very simple to create. You will need Before you cut out your fabric, take two measurements. Round waist measurement 29 inches, skirt length 15 inches. Cut two rectangular fabrics of 30 inches width and 18 inches length. Keep both the pieces facing right sides together and pin on one side. Set the machine to zigzag stitch and finish the sewn side of the rectangle. To sew the bias tape to the hem, cut a 60-inch long bias tape, snap on the binder foot, feed the tape to the attachment. Finish the bottom of the skirt with bound seam finish with bias tape. Fold the fabric widthwise into half and sew the other open side, leaving half-inch seam allowance. Again, overlock the side with zigzag stitches to finish the edges. Fold and press top side by 1/4 inch and again by 1.5 inch allowance to the wrong side. Secure the fold with pins and sew the fold in place to form casing. Remember to leave a 2-inch opening in the middle of the back to feed the elastic into. Now it is time to insert the elastic. For a waist measurement of 29 inches, cut the elastic of 28 inches. Remove the safety pin and overlap elastic ends by 1 inch. Sew the ends together with zigzag stitch. Set the elastic inside and sew the casing opening. Ease out the gathers around the waist evenly and your very own summer skirt is ready to flaunt. DIY with Usha. Inspire, so create.